5. Introduction to MSW logo. Magic carpet. Logo, computer language and functions. Logo turtle, its parts and uses. Logo screen. Primitive. Starting and closing logo. Hey, do you know, I'm learning French in school. It's great fun. That's great. But did you know that like humans, computers too use language to understand us? Logo. Computers have to be given a set of instructions in a computer language to make them work. Over the years, many types of computer languages have been developed. One such language is language of graphic oriented, or in short, Logo. It was developed by Seymour Papert and his co-worker in 1967 at Massachusetts Institute of Technology in US. It is also called Turtle Logo because of the cursor in Logo is called Turtle. It is specially created to teach children basics of computer programming. The version of Logo used by Microsoft is MSW Logo, developed by George Mill at the University of South California in the US. Logo can be used to draw simple shapes, write and do calculations. Starting Logo. To open the Logo program, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. In the search box type MSW Logo. The MSW logo screen appears as shown alongside. If you are using Windows 7, 1. Click on Start. 2. Click on All Programs. 3. Click on MS Logo. Let us study about the different parts of the logo screen. Title bar. It displays the name of the software telling us which window we are looking at. Menu bar. It contains all the options that make the Logo Turtle work. Main screen. The main screen or graphic screen is the place where the figures we create by giving commands to the turtle are displayed. Logo's turtle. Turtle is the small triangle at its home position, the center of the main screen of MSW Logo. It is called so because it takes small steps, but it looks like a triangle. The top of the triangle is called its head, while the base is called the tail. Commander window. It displays all the commands that we give to the turtle. It has a title bar and an input box to type the commands and instructions. The recall list box displays all the commands that we give to the turtle and various control buttons. The following control buttons are present in the Commander window. Trace button helps to find any mistake we might have made in giving commands to the logo. Pause button pauses logo temporarily. Cancel Continue button. We can check for mistakes, make corrections and click on Continue button or Cancel button. Status No Status button. Status button displays the status window showing the setting of the turtle. We can close it by No Status button. Reset button places the turtle at its default place and clears the whole main screen. Execute button. Once you have written the command in the input box, you can click on Execute button. This is called executing, running a command. Halt button halts the logo from executing a command. Step button. Step button helps in removing an error. Fact Genie. An error in a program is called a bug. Removing the error is called debugging. Directions in which the turtle moves. Given above are the directions in which the turtle can move, drawing a line throughout its path in the main screen according to the commands given to it through the input box. Primitives. Commands given in Logo are called primitives. Any wrong command is not accepted by the turtle and an error is shown on the screen. Entering a command in the input box. Follow the given steps to enter a command in the input box. Step 1. Click on the input box. A cursor appears. Type the command. Step 2. Press the enter key or click on execute. Moving the turtle. We tell the turtle how many steps it has to move and in which direction. Command is given like forward 40. Then press enter to execute the command. Exit logo. Type by and press enter, the window closes. Or go to file menu and close and choose exit. Magic scroll. Computers have their own language. Logo is a computer language. Logo is language of graphic oriented. Seymour Papert and his co-worker designed logo in 1967 at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA. Turtle can move forward, backward, in left or right direction. Type by to exit logo. A. Fill in the blank.